Just went to the recycle center and got rid of a Whoop battery that had a puncture in it. I flew that construction site like a month ago, but the reception is really terrible, like everywhere in there. A little sketchy. We're about to find out if resetting this to Betaflight defaults helped or not. Well, I don't really like flying in 16:9, but I changed it for you guys because 4:3 is pretty trash. At least for YouTube. What the fuck? It just came and hit me. I wonder if the motors are back or the props. Props are removed. Starts. Front left. That one's good. That one's also good. Interesting. Okay. Well, it's flying, so that's good. Of course, I didn't charge my freaking goggles. Wow, that was sick. At least it's not in the tall grass. That would have been enough. Whoa. Probably should have seen if it still drops the motor. Alright, let's try. Yep, just like that. It went to the left side that time. Oh yeah, it's really going to the left side today. If you're flying smooth, it's perfectly fine, but I mean, you do throttle punches over stuff all the time, so it's kind of hard to just avoid it. Whatever, we'll try to rip this battery quick, as much as we can. Whoa. Came up faster than I thought. Someone please explain why it drops an arm to one side. Maybe it is always the left, but I'm pretty certain with the old motors it was going to the right. And yeah, these are like brand new motors. Oh, see? That one was really bad. That is why I came to a completely empty parking lot. Because this thing is sketchy right now. Little piece of shit. I'm gonna try higher dynamic idle speed. Because I think that helped a little bit with the old motors. But it also feels like garbage when I turn that up too high. So I'd rather have as low as possible. But let's try it really quick. Where is it? Did I miss it? Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, 35. I don't know. I'm gonna put it back up to like 65 because I've had it higher before. And then hopefully we'll see if that even helps do anything. Yeah, see, it seems to be a little bit more stable right there, but... Oh, I don't know where I'm going yet. I'd love to go fly up by the buildings, but I think me and this little POS have proved ourselves unworthy today.
Your black feel like business to me. Industry lies never line up on screen. And you keep scoring, I feel like the dream. Yeah, what you want?
We landed. Oh, they're so cute. Oh no, don't move. Stay there. Could barely even see them. The little duckers. I don't even know how they're moving through this crap. It's so thick. It's just 100% weeds, 0% water.